pull back one time. Take a look at it. Now, as you can see, hopefully from the camera, I got more of the Sharpie mark off the whole actual edge. Now we got to actually tilt it a tad bit more so that way we can remove this whole Sharpie mark, because that's the whole goal. Now let's do a little bit more. Switch our grip just a tad bit. I'm going to do 2 passes. Okay, so that came out better. We're getting more on the actual edge. Back here, we need to tweak it a tad bit more. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now we're just going to sharpen it a little bit more to see if we can actually remove that whole Sharpie mark.